Today, November 27th, 2024. Gold prices on the international market increased quickly after a plunge in Asia. SJC gold bars and plain rings yesterday fell sharply by about 2 million VND per tael, but there were few buyers. At the end of the trading session on November 26th, Vietnam time, the domestic price of SJC 99.99 gold bars was listed by Saigon Jewelry Company Limited, SJC, and Doji Jewelry Group in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City at 82.7 to 85.2 million VND/tael, buy sell, down 1.9 million VND/tael in the selling direction and down 1.4 million VND/tael compared to the previous session. On the afternoon of November 26th, SJC listed the price of 1 to 5 ring gold at only VND 82.1-84.2 million/tael, buy sell, down VND 1.9 million/tael, buy, and down VND 1.4 million, sell, compared to the previous session. Doji listed the price of 9,999 round plain ring gold at VND 82.3-84.4 million/tael, buy sell, down VND 2 million for buying and down VND 1.4 million for selling. By 8 p.m. on November 26th, Vietnam time, the spot gold price on the world market had recovered slightly to $2.632 per ounce after falling to nearly $2.610 per ounce. Gold for February 2025 delivery on the Codex New York floor was $2.658 per ounce. The world gold price on November 26th was about 27.6% higher, $569 per ounce, than at the beginning of 2024. The world gold price converted to the bank USD price was 81.7 million VND/tael, including taxes and fees, about 3.5 million VND/tael lower than the domestic gold price as of the end of the afternoon of the same day. The gold price on the international market quickly turned around and increased again after the plunge in the Asian market. SJC gold bars and plain rings decreased sharply, but there were few buyers. Gold increased again mainly due to high bottom fishing demand after this item fell from $2.720 per ounce at the end of last week to near the critical support threshold of $2.600 per ounce on the afternoon of November 26th in the Asian market. Gold is still determined to be in an upward trend in the medium and long term because geopolitical tensions cannot end quickly. And the US Federal Reserve, Fed, and many central banks of other countries have just started a cycle of lowering interest rates. This cycle may last 1 to 2 years. It will cause the USD to depreciate, and inflation may increase in the US and the world. This is a very supportive environment for gold. Gold prices have also increased again due to continued tensions in Ukraine. Accordingly, Russian forces launched an unprecedented attack in more than 2 years, controlling hundreds of square kilometers of territory in November, increasing the pressure on Ukraine. Russia launched a major counterattack in Kursk, regaining 40% of the territory that Ukraine once controlled here. Russia also launched an unprecedented number of uncrewed aerial vehicles, UAVs, into Ukraine on the evening of November 25th and the morning of November 26th. In the Middle East, Israel warned Hezbollah ahead of the ceasefire, saying it would be uncompromising in protecting its security interests and ready to take decisive action if the ceasefire in Lebanon was violated. Forecasting the gold trend in the coming time, Darren Newsom from Barchart said that gold prices may have short-term corrections. However, in the long term, Newsom believes that gold will continue to increase in price. WisdomTree's head of commodity and macroeconomic research, Nitesh Shah, also predicted on Kitco that gold will increase in 2025 and reach $2.850 per ounce in the fourth quarter of next year. Investors are waiting for the Fed's November FOMC meeting minutes to analyze the U.S. monetary policy signal. They will release revised GDP data and core PCE personal consumption expenditures index figures this week, after U.S. President-elect Donald Trump announced that he would increase tariffs on goods from China. However, the financial market is apprehensive after U.S. President-elect Donald Trump announced that he would increase tariffs by 10% on goods from China and 25% on products from Mexico and Canada. Accordingly, investors speculate that the price of goods in the U.S. will increase in the future, which could cause inflation to heat up, negatively impact the value of the USD, and benefit the gold market. Therefore, when the world gold price fell to $2.603 USD/ounce, many people increased their purchasing power. Immediately, The gold price today at 6 a.m. on November 27th increased to $2.634 US per ounce.